The day begins long before the first customer arrives. Inside a traditional confectionery workshop, skilled artisans prepare one of the region's most beloved handmade sweets using techniques passed down through generations. Every step relies on experience, precision, and perfect timing rather than automated machinery. The process starts as the sugar mixture is carefully heated to the ideal consistency. The craftsmen monitor its texture with remarkable accuracy, knowing that even a slight temperature change can affect the final product. Once ready, the hot sugar is poured onto a work surface, where it is continuously folded, stretched, and pulled. This repeated motion traps tiny air bubbles inside, transforming the clear syrup into a smooth, creamy white candy with a light and chewy texture. Working quickly before the sugar cools. The artisans roll the candy into long, even ropes before shaping them into large loaves. Every movement is performed with confidence, ensuring each loaf has the same size and consistency. Timing is everything, as the candy must remain soft enough to shape while firm enough to hold its form. The finished loaves are then coated in rich melted chocolate. Each one is slowly rotated to create a smooth, even layer before the excess chocolate drips away. Without delay, the chocolate-covered candy is rolled through generous trays of finely chopped roasted nuts. The crunchy coating adds both flavor and texture while creating the signature appearance of this traditional sweet. As the chocolate cools and hardens, the loaves are placed onto trays where they begin taking their final form. Rows of perfectly coated candy highlight the remarkable consistency achieved entirely by skilled hands. Every piece reflects hours of careful preparation, from heating and pulling the sugar to coating it with chocolate and nuts. Once the candy has fully cooled, it moves to the cutting station. Using long, razor-sharp knives, the craftsmen slice each loaf into thick, even portions. Every cut reveals a beautiful contrast between the soft white candy center and its rich chocolate and nut coating. Their steady hands produce perfectly uniform slices without the aid of measuring tools. The freshly cut pieces are arranged neatly onto trays, where their smooth chocolate finish and golden nut coating create an irresistible display. The light, airy center remains soft and chewy thanks to the countless stretches performed earlier in the process. Every slice offers the perfect balance of sweetness, rich chocolate, and satisfying crunch. Throughout the workshop, production continues in a seamless rhythm. While one worker slices finished loaves, others prepare fresh batches, organize trays, and maintain the chocolate coating. Each craftsman performs a specialized role, creating an efficient workflow that never sacrifices quality for speed. As more trays fill with finished sweets, the workshop is surrounded by the rich aroma of warm chocolate, roasted nuts, and freshly made candy. Every loaf receives a final inspection before being arranged into perfect rows, ensuring every customer enjoys the same handcrafted quality. Watching the process unfold reveals that this is far more than food production. It is a tradition preserved through patience, teamwork, and generations of experience. Every pull, every coating, and every careful slice contributes to a dessert that continues to delight people with its delicate texture, rich flavor, and timeless craftsmanship. The workshop maintains its steady pace as newly cooled candy loaves arrive at the cutting station. Every loaf is carefully inspected before slicing begins, with even the smallest imperfections corrected by hand. This attention to detail ensures that every piece meets the same high standard before reaching customers. With smooth, confident movements, the craftsmen slice through the crunchy chocolate coating and soft candy center, revealing the beautiful layers inside. Tiny air pockets created during the pulling process give the candy its signature light and chewy texture, while the rich chocolate and roasted nuts provide the perfect contrast in both flavor and appearance. Freshly cut slices are separated by hand and arranged neatly across large trays. Their uniform shape and glossy finish reflect the remarkable precision of the artisans, who rely on years of experience rather than automated equipment. As more trays are filled, the workshop becomes a showcase of handcrafted perfection, with rows of identical sweets ready for the next stage. Production never pauses. Fresh chocolate is continuously stirred to maintain its smooth consistency, while new batches of chopped nuts are prepared for the following loaves.